Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. We have another exciting new product to unbox for you today. This is the Pro X Superlight 2 wireless gaming mouse. A welcome refresh to our original Pro X Superlight. This new model comes with some great features and upgrades. 95-hour battery life, 2K polling, USB-C charging, and more that we'll talk about once we see what's in this box. With all of that said, let's get right into it. The first thing we're greeted with when we open the box is the mouse. Weighing in at 60 grams, it feels great, just like its predecessor. We have the same ergonomics, a great feeling scroll wheel, and some very tactile switches. But these switches are some truly innovative tech called Light Force hybrid switches, which have the speed and reliability of optical switches with the satisfying click and power consumption of mechanical switches. On the top, we have our upgraded charge connector, which is now USB-C. Love to see it. Now, it's time for the peel. It just never gets old. Underneath, we have a slightly redesigned layout for the PTFE. I'm a big fan of these skates. They really feel effortless, yet precise. And in between, we have the new Hero 2 sensor, which further expands the accuracy, speed, and reliability of this mouse, really cementing it as a flagship product. Underneath the mouse tray, we find a box of accessories, as well as the LIGHTSPEED dongle. LIGHTSPEED is our innovative, pro-grade wireless protocol that offers extremely low latency, and it ships in this extender, which allows you to use the cable to place the dongle more conveniently in your setup. Inside the accessories box, we find the USB to USB-C cable, which can be used to charge the mouse, to use the mouse in a cabled configuration, or to plug it into the included extender. Inside this cardboard envelope, we have an extra puck, which can be used to add extra PTFE surface, allowing you to dial in the feel of your mouse. We also included these grip stickers, which allow you to customize the grip of your mouse to your taste. And of course, we have some documentation. Lastly, it's important to note that the LIGHTSPEED adapter can be stored under the puck if you're traveling with your mouse. I'm really happy with everything new we brought to this refresh. This is my favorite mouse in the lineup. I have one at my work desk, one at my gaming desk, and this one is going directly into my go bag as soon as I end this video. Be sure to check out our video on connecting your LIGHTSPEED mouse and our introduction to G-Hub video to help you get the absolute best out of your setup. And lastly, if you have any questions, please reach out to our support site. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.